Did you know that the color in your snacks may hide surprising health tricks or risks? Food colorants often appear harmless, yet some have links to hyperactivity, allergies, or migraines when consumed in excess. This video unpacks 3 common colorants, showing which ones are considered safe, which to limit, and why. We compare lab studies with real-world effects, revealing how tiny amounts can matter over months and years. Comment with your favorite color in snacks, and I will explain what it might mean for your health. Stick around for practical tips and trusted sources.